Okay, so this is my assignment. It definitely works. I used the switch statement for the menu, and I guess I'll just go through it now. Yeah, I just printed out all the menu options, and then I put 2 while statements before the switch statement, so it would go back and check it each time. Like the light game one. Yeah, I just another while statement within the switch statement to do the maths. Yeah, I just changed the string meters. You know, it will read the string and then whatever they type in and convert it to a number, and then I just looked up whatever the meters to feet conversion is and put that in, multiplied it by it, and divided by it for the vice versa. It's pretty much the same for each one. I know I could have used functions to do this, but I wasn't quite sure how to get it working. I just couldn't get it working using functions, so that's my bad. Yeah, for the Fahrenheit one, it was just a tiny bit more. It was just, you have to minus 32 or add 32 and divide and multiply to get it. Yeah. Yeah, this is just the default. Then it would just print everything again. This is where the 2 statements end, and then if you press 0, it just prints this. It will just print this. And to say that you have exit, I guess I'll run it actually. Oh yeah, this is just okay there. So I'll just do 2 for feet, enter value for feet, 66, and then value in meters is 20.12, and then you can do it again for anything, and then if you just press 0, it'll just say you have exit, and then that's really it.